Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Fluency series. I'm so glad you joined us today. Have you ever walked into a restaurant in the United States and felt a bit nervous about ordering? You know, the menu is confusing, the waiter is waiting, and you're not sure what to say. Well, today, that changes. Our topic for today is mastering restaurant conversations. By the end of this video, you won't just know how to order food. You'll learn how to ask questions about the menu, request changes, and handle the bill like a local. So, how are we going to learn this? We are going to follow a three-step process. The couple's discussion. First, we'll listen to a husband and wife deciding what to order. This will help you learn how to talk about preferences and make choices. The interaction. Next, we'll see them talk to the waiter. This is where you'll learn the exact phrases for ordering and making special requests. The breakdown. Finally, we'll review the key vocabulary words, like wild caught or on the side, so you can use them with confidence. This video is designed to be practical. I want you to listen carefully, notice the tone of voice, and most importantly, practice out loud with me. Are you ready to level up your English? Wow, this place is really nice. I heard this restaurant is famous for its seafood and pasta dishes.
Yeah, the atmosphere is so cozy too. I'm glad we came here tonight.
Same here. So, what are you thinking about ordering?
Honestly, I can't decide. Everything on this menu looks delicious. I'm stuck between the chicken pasta and the grilled shrimp platter.
Let me see. Oh wow, the shrimp platter comes with rice, vegetables, and garlic butter sauce. That sounds really good.
I know, but the pasta also looks tempting. I usually like creamy pasta dishes, but sometimes they feel too heavy.
True. You could ask the waiter if they can make it lighter. Restaurants in the US are usually flexible with special requests.
That's good to know. That sounds healthy and delicious at the same time.
What about you? Have you decided yet? I think I'm going for the grilled salmon. It says here it's wild-caught salmon with garlic mashed potatoes and seasonal vegetables.
Should we order an appetizer first?
Exactly. I've been trying to eat healthier lately.
Same. How about mozzarella sticks?
Definitely. I never skip appetizers.
I think mozzarella sticks would be better. They're easier to share.
Good choice. Or maybe buffalo wings?
Maybe sparkling water with lemon.
Agreed. Oh, and what do you want to drink?
By the way, do you think the portions here are big?
Nice. I might get iced tea.
Then maybe we should share dessert later, instead of ordering separate ones.
Probably. American restaurants usually serve huge portions. Smart idea. Let's see how full we are after dinner.
Good evening, folks. Welcome to Riverside Grill. My name is Daniel, and I'll be taking care of you tonight. How's your evening going so far?
Pretty good, thanks. This is our first time here.
Oh, nice. Well, welcome. If you have any questions about the menu, I'd be happy to help.
Thanks. Everything looks amazing, so it's actually hard to choose.
That's always a good sign.
Could we start with some drinks first?
Of course. What would you like?
I'll have sparkling water with lemon, please.
Great. I'll bring those right out. Would you also like an appetizer?
Yes, we'd like the mozzarella sticks.
Excellent choice. They're one of our most popular appetizers.
Good to know.
Are you ready to order your main course as well, or would you like a few more minutes?
I think we're ready.
Perfect. What can I get for you tonight?
I'll have the grilled salmon with mashed potatoes.
Great choice. And how would you like the salmon cooked?
Medium, please.
Absolutely. And for you, ma'am?
I'm thinking about the chicken pasta, but I wanted to ask something first.
Sure. Go ahead.
Is the sauce very creamy and heavy?
It is creamy, but not overly heavy. However, the kitchen can make it lighter if you prefer.
That would be perfect. And could I get the sauce on the side?
Of course. Anything else?
Yes. Instead of fries, could I substitute them with a side salad?
Absolutely. What dressing would you like with the salad?
Ranch dressing, please.
Great. Anything else for you two tonight?
That should be all for now.
Wonderful. I'll place your order right away. Your drinks and appetizer will be out in just a few minutes.
Yeah, this smells so good.
Here we are. Mozzarella sticks for the table, grilled salmon with mashed potatoes, and the chicken pasta with the sauce on the side.
Everything looks amazing.
The salmon is excellent, very fresh. Honestly, the portions are huge.
Enjoy your meal, and let me know if you need anything else.
And I'm really happy the sauce is on the side. The pasta tastes perfect.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like me to pack the leftovers to go later?
Yes, probably.
Can I interest you in dessert tonight? We have cheesecake, chocolate lava cake, and apple pie.
The cheesecake sounds tempting.
It does, but I'm too full. Could we get the check, please?
Same here. Maybe next time. I know. I'm already getting full.
Absolutely. I'll bring it right over.
Thanks. Do you accept credit cards?
Here's your bill. No rush, take your time.
Definitely. We should leave a nice tip.
Yes, we do.
Usually around 15% to 20% for good service.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. It was my pleasure. Have a wonderful evening, and we hope to see you again soon.
Service here was really good. How much do people usually tip in the US? Thank you. Have a great night.